Hi, my name is Kim Margolin, and I'm a medical oncologist at St. John's with a long history of interest in medical education. Here at St. John's with the Surgical Oncology Fellowship, I'm interested in interacting with the surgical oncology trainees in terms of all things to do with melanoma and skin cancers. That brings me to our latest project, which is to activate protocol for the use of tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes or TIL cells for patients with advanced melanoma not cured by traditional immunotherapy and targeted agents. The role of the surgical oncology fellow may be to help the team in selecting patients for this protocol, managing the preoperative preparation of the patient in terms of the lesion or lesions to be harvested, following along with the course of the patient during the preparation of the TIL cells and the actual protocol conduct, and then potentially getting involved with some of the research. We have at least one researcher, Matias Bustos, who works in an immunology lab with a great deal of interest in how T cells kill tumors and how they interact with other cells in the tumor microenvironment, and that might be a great place for fellows to do some research projects.